We are completely done with you. Pack your trash and get out!
Don't ever show your face around here again! Street rat!
Scrub-a scrub scrub. These plates will sparkle.
Let's grab a quick coffee here. Darling?
Leo, how would you like to come home and be our son?
I look so handsome.
Here you go, my beautiful princess. Only the best for you.
I made this for you, Mom. Do you like it?
Don't call me Mom. Go finish mopping the floor.
Dad, can I please have a bite of a burger?
Eat this, then go outside and wash my truck.
It's so heavy, buddy. But I have to do a good job.
Thanks, boy. You're my only real friend in this house.
Take that, zombie. I'm winning! Ah!
Stop staring! Get up to your cold attic right now! Do you think I'll ever be loved? Hit subscribe if you care. Oh no. Mia, are you hurt? Are you okay?
He did it! Leo threw the ball and broke it.
No, I didn't.
You useless boy! You destroy everything in this house!
I didn't do it, I promise. I was in the kitchen.
We are completely done with you. Pack your trash and get out!
Don't ever show your face around here again! Street rat!
Mom, Dad, please don't leave me. Just make it through the night, Leo. Be brave. I won't give up. I will work hard and survive. Thank you, sir. This is the best food ever.
Let me help you with those, ma'am.
They look heavy. Bless you, sweetheart. Keep the change.
Thank you, ma'am. 5 more cans, and I can buy a warm blanket tonight.
Ew, look at the smelly garbage, boy. I earn honest money. I have nothing to be ashamed of. Scrub-a scrub scrub. These plates will sparkle.
That was a super close call. 1, 2, 3, 4. I finally have enough money. Yees! Thank you. I won't freeze tonight. Good morning, sunshine. Time to work hard again. Good morning, sunshine. Time to work hard again. Good morning.
Let's grab a quick coffee here. Darling?
It's very quaint, Peter. Oh, look over there.
Look at that little boy working so incredibly hard.
Hello there, sweetheart. What is your name? I'm Leo. Ma'am, welcome to the diner. Can I help you?
You shouldn't be working so hard. Where are your parents, Leo?
I don't have a family anymore, sir.
Victoria? I think we finally found him.
Oh, my baby.
Leo, how would you like to come home and be our son?
A real home? With a mom and dad who want me?
Go on, kid. You deserve all the happiness in the world.
Wow! It smells like fancy leather and fresh flowers in here. Is this a castle? Do a king and queen live here?
This is all yours, my sweet boy. Welcome home.
I look so handsome.
Let's take this bad boy out to the garden, son.
Laughter! I have never seen so much delicious food in my life. Mmm, so good. Thank you for saving me. I love you, Mom and Dad. We love you too, sweetie.
Always, son.
Miracles really do happen. Comment below if you are happy for me.
We are totally broke. The bank is taking the truck tomorrow.
I lost my job. We don't even have money for groceries.
I want a new tablet. Why can't you just buy it?
Stop whining. We both have to work at this catering company now.
I can't believe we are serving food to rich snobs.
I know, it's unbelievable. Just keep your head down and do the job, Elena.
Qua. Whoever lives here must be a billionaire.
You two take these heavy trays of appetizers to the garden quickly. My back is killing me. This tray weighs a ton.
My feet hurt so much. I hate my miserable life.
Cheers, everyone. What a wonderful celebration. This is simply the best party of the season. Hello, everyone. I'd like to introduce our wonderful son, Leo. Waiters, please bring some fresh, sparkling cider for my boy.
Careful now, don't spill.
I've got it, don't worry.
Whoa! Steady!
Sorry, my bad.
Here is your drink, young master. Enjoy.
Mom. Dad?
Leo, is that really you? Oh my goodness, you are the billionaire's son.
What?
What is the meaning of this? Do you know these workers, Leo? He is our son, Leo. You're rich. Come back to us.
No. You threw me out into the freezing snow.
You are the monsters who abused this sweet, innocent boy. We made a terrible mistake. We love you so much, Leo. Please.
Please, gaffs.
You never loved me. You only loved Mia. And now you just love money.
Please, Leo. We are so poor. We have nothing left.
Karma is real. My true family is right here.
Security, escort these cruel people off my property immediately. Move it. You heard the boss. Get out.
Please no! Wow! Let us go!
Hey, stop! This is a mistake!
no! We lost everything! We are so sorry!
You are safe now, son. They will never hurt you again.
I know, Dad. I am the luckiest boy in the world. Buddy! You bought Buddy from them, too? This is amazing! Hooray!
Every boy needs his best friend. He's part of the family now.
True love makes a real family. Always be kind to everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories. Bye!